Hi everybody, on this Thursday we've had just a little bit of rain. Some of you experienced a little bit of snow. We had 3/100ths of an inch of precipitation so far, liquid precipitation. And so now at this point with the storm tracker we're not picking up anything, though there is something up around Champaign. So it's not completely out of the question that as we get into the nighttime hours tonight, especially with this kind of circulation going on in the atmosphere, that some of this moisture could still move down into the region. So in the forecast I have a slight chance of precipitation during the nighttime tonight. Tomorrow, not a bad day. Keep your fingers crossed that we can get a little bit of sunshine. 43 degrees, still a little below average for this time of year. Typically, we would be looking at about 48 degrees. And then a small chance of rain on Saturday. Not a huge chance, but a small chance of rain on Saturday, 52. Sunday, 54. And this is, I think, more like Susie would like to have. The only thing is, not only on Monday, but also on Tuesday and Wednesday, temperatures up into the 60s, but we have the possibility of some thunder showers to be along with us as well, and kind of breezy conditions. But this is more spring-like weather. This is kind of what you think about when you think of March. So 41 degrees now. The high today was 42. Rockville has 40, Linton 41, Robinson 41, Vincennes 42, and Olney 43, and Effingham 43 degrees. Wind from the south at 7 miles per hour, Paris 7, Robinson 5, Vincennes 7. With a south wind, you would think, well, Kev, it probably would be warmer, wouldn't it? Well, remember we had clouds today, and so we don't have the sunshine to warm up the earth, and so with a cloud cover, even though we have a south breeze, it stays a little cooler than would be normal. So here's a look at the Storm Team 10 Futurecast. This is 1 a.m. early Friday morning. Still a few little sprinkles left over, and then those move out. We get into the day on Friday, and this is noon on Friday. Eric Stidman will be here tomorrow, and he will talk about how the day is going to shape up. And so it looks to me like we're going to have at least the possibility of some sunshine. It may not be a completely clear day, because as we get into the evening hours and toward the late afternoon, more clouds begin to move in. This is midnight tomorrow night. Then we get into the first part of the day on Saturday. This is Saturday morning at 5 o'clock. The possibility of a little bit of light rain as a little system passes through. And then we get into midnight on Saturday, and then midday on Saturday, and then into Sunday. It looks as though things are going to be not too bad at all. We begin this nice warm up. So a slight chance of light rain and snow during the late night hours tonight. 28 degrees for the low. Could be a slick spot, be careful. And then for tomorrow, partly cloudy, a chilly north breeze, a high tomorrow 42. And then for tomorrow night, a very slight chance of some late light snow. That's before that rain perhaps moves in as we get into that 20% chance of rain on Saturday. But 52 degrees on Saturday, Sunday 54, and then on Monday 63, Tuesday 65, and Wednesday 63. The thing about it is we have the possibility of some thunder showers on Tuesday and Wednesday, but a little thunder shower is, I'll take it, frankly, as opposed to what we had today, as long as we don't have big storms.